Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today we're taking a look at MyCreditMonitor.com. This website offers a range of services designed to help you understand and manage your credit health. Navigating the site, you'll find resources for tracking your credit score, understanding your credit report, and receiving alerts about any significant changes to your credit profile. They also offer tools and guidance on how to improve your credit score, which can be invaluable for securing loans, mortgages, and even better interest rates on credit cards. One of the key features of MyCreditMonitor.com is their credit monitoring service. This service allows you to keep a close eye on your credit report and receive timely notifications of any activity, potentially helping you identify and address identity theft or errors in your report quickly. Being aware of your credit standing is crucial in today's financial landscape, and MyCreditMonitor.com provides the tools necessary to stay informed. Their platform aims to simplify the complexities of credit reports and scores, presenting the information in a user-friendly and accessible format. Beyond simple monitoring, MyCreditMonitor.com provides educational resources to help you grasp the intricacies of credit. Understanding the factors that influence your score and how to improve it can be empowering. The site offers helpful articles, tips, and guides on various credit-related topics. From explaining different types of credit to offering advice on managing debt, MyCreditMonitor.com seeks to equip users with the knowledge they need to make informed financial decisions. They strive to empower consumers to take control of their financial well-being through education and readily available resources. For many, understanding credit can feel overwhelming, but MyCreditMonitor.com breaks down the complexities and provides clear, actionable information. This dedication to consumer education is a valuable aspect of their service, making it a useful resource for anyone looking to improve or maintain their credit health. Remember to check the description for the link to MyCreditMonitor.com and explore their offerings yourself.